I got something to tell you. We're back! What's up, everybody? What's poppin'? I am happy. I am happy to say, the van is running. The green machine is running. What's up, y'all? What's going on? What's poppin'? I'm actually going to the junkyard again, day 2. We're gonna try to get some more parts for the vehicle before I'm forced to spend on some other things. I'm gonna see if I can actually resolve my issues without spending so much money. Things are hard, it's a pandemic, so I am doing what I can to save money. And plus, I've been having some time in the morning into the afternoon, because I've been basically working late afternoon into the evening. So I am just gonna go straight into this junkyard and we're gonna see what we can do. Let's go. I just got my parts, just so that you know what I do. I have a shirt that I get dirty in. Throw this bad boy on, so now I'm gonna change it and get on about my business. All right, y'all, so I'm leaving. I got what I wanted and I'm out. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna head back to the green machine. We'll figure out what I'm gonna do, and then I gotta be ready to pick up my customer in about 3 hours, so I gotta get this vehicle ready, so we'll go from there. All right, y'all, later. All right, we're inside the green machine. Got that open. There's the cap there, the distributor cap, or the rotor, I'm sorry. And we're gonna switch it. See if we could do it without the actual distributor. So we made sure that these wires were, spark plugs were connecting in the same order. See, that position's important. Like, say if you're doing the distributor, I'm only doing this rotor, so it's not gonna affect the actual distributor. So we will put the cap on, go from there. Alright, so now I'll put that right on there. Yep, right there. I'll tighten it right back up. One, and the other's 2. Lock right in there. Boom. Beautiful. Alright, let's tighten it up. Make sure this is tight. So, put this here. harder one because it's the edge. Let's see if we can. Yep. Okay, good. I got it in. Yep, I got it in. It's a module. Due to the very wide and diverse listening audience, I made it a choice to censor some choice words with some horse sounds. Enjoy. It's a map, map something.
We gotta wonder if we could look at the image, you know what I mean, and see what that cable is or something.
Where it goes?
Yeah.
I already know where it goes. I already showed you.
Oh.
Give me one of my long pry bars with the red handle. Look down in the bag. It's got to go back behind here. Because I got enough room to squeeze this mother. Come on over here, son. Come on over here, son. Come over here just a little bit. Come on.
So you said that was an airflow sensor?
That's the, see that? Wait a minute. Let me see if I can get through that. Pull that through there. See that what I'm wiggling? Pull that all the way through. You see what I'm wiggling? You feel it? Yeah, you're feeling it. Right there. We almost had it. Wait a minute. Hold on. Almost had it. Hold on.
Oh, you know what? My thanks.
Move. Put the light back down there. See there? It's almost through there. It's almost through. Let me see if I can get a little pull on this. If I can get a little pull on this, maybe. We don't need that much. That's why I wish I had that long one. All right. Pull that what you see me wiggling. Can you reach it? Put your hand back there till you feel it. Reach down, touch the belt. There you go. There it is. It's through. It's through. Yeah, that's half my problem. If it ain't all of it. What's the? I got it. Move. Yeah. You pull it back. Maybe broken, but I ain't got nothing to do with it. Let me see. I'm trying to plug this up. Just. Where's the clip on this? I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about so I can push this in this hole. This. Alright.
What's up?
Hope it don't catch fire. Go in there and crank it now.
Crank it down.
Hold on.
I wonder if that could have happened when, remember how we tried to
Put the pie out.
No, put the air in. The ether or whatever.
So when it blew up?
No, I'm saying.
I have a confession. I put too much ether into the AirTag manifold and almost blew up the green machine. Yes, fire. And please note, that actually happened about 3 months ago after running out of gas and trying to initially resolve the issue.
And maybe when you opened everything up, they sprayed it, just never put it back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it might be another wire or so missing, I guess. I don't know.
So what was that too? That could have been broke.
This ain't broke. See, this is the mass airflow sensor.
That worked? It fit?
Yeah, see, that's the mass airflow. I just plugged it in. That was hanging. This was one part, the bare mount. This the bare mount.
So that actually fit in there, right?
Right, and this goes right here. This was unplugged too. So you definitely ain't gonna get it to start. Definitely not gonna start till you get all this right, correctly. Hopefully it didn't tear up nothing. None of these wires are broken. Okay, let me see. I can't see behind here. Let me see over here. Where you run it? I'm trying to see if anything's unplugged.
Go ahead. So she's firing?
She's firing.
Yeah.
So everything, our problem is in the fuel delivery, I believe. But now I think we got a cracked intake.
That's the manifold?
Cracked manifold. Intake manifold.
Or the crank position sense?
One is maybe between the two. I would say, I give it about maybe 65% chance. It be the intake manifold itself, or same thing, 70. Well, the crankshaft is cranking, but the fuel pump, and I got current coming from the fuel pump. Remember I had the light on there, and the light lit up, right?
Yeah.
And when you was cranking it, the light stayed on. I don't know if that pump is no good.
What pump?
Or either the wiring is bad. It may not even been the pump, your pump. It could have been the wiring. The plug. The part where you plug it up into.
Yeah, I gotta look at the plug.
Let me show you something.
Because I saw an extra wire.
You did? You didn't tell me.
No, I just saw one there. I saw it before, but the way it was wired up, it wasn't sure.
Let me look. Let me see. Let me see what you're talking about, cause you might be right. You know, look, ain't that a blue spot?
Yeah.
Huh?
Looks like it.
Ain't that a blue spot right there on this side?
That might be it.
Yep. Okay, so now, what we need?
We need to cut it open, right?
Yeah, give me a raise. Give me a raise. If you give me a raise and I just touch it, you can go about your business.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? Just saying, it's an interesting night. I'm here. Mr. Burt is back there doing his thing. He's in there. He is in there. He is in there. But we found something very interesting with the wiring of the fuel pump. Yep. So we're almost there. Mr. Burt's in the back. You know, he's tweaking the wires. Yep. I showed him how one wire was loose and exposed. Yep. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Almost. Woo! So close. Yep. It's trying.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this like this here.
Okay.
Come here. Hold on. See if I can peel this back. Expose this. So I can put this on there. Okay. This goes on this right here. Okay. Oh, no. This goes on here like this. That gray one was the one that was sitting out by itself. This was gonna be the black. That gray one, that was the one that was sitting away by itself. All right, go crank it.
All right.
Hold on.
All right.
Crank it. Come
Yeah, shut off. Well, do it again, cause I didn't rev it up. Yeah, one more time. Huh? Yeah, man. Wait.
We gotta get these wires.
Is this the wires?
Yeah, you seen it run, so.
Yeah. So I don't be in your way and in your face.
Did it run?
It ran. Okay, so what do I have to do?
Okay, we got these two wires right here.
Yep.
See this one?
Yep.
This the one came off of here. See, all this needs to be cleaned. We need to be getting down to number nigga wire. If I gotta put these together, it might have ran for a while. In fact, if I could have held these on here.
Or you could twist them together, and then I'll remember I'll do it.
Okay, all right.
Cause I can get some wire, it ain't a problem.
Well, you just gotta split this and screw it up right. If it don't work,
Or
if it don't work, reverse them, change them around. But make sure you remember, okay, I got this one wrapped around this one.
Yep.
See, I got this one wrapped around this one?
Yeah.
This the one that was broke.
That was broke when I remember.
Right, now this the one was in there, then it came loose as we were. But see what it is? I told you the wiring, right?
Yep.
That's what it is. So if you go find a complete harness, we can just put them in there. We can do better than that. We can just take the clips out the other housing. See, I got these together
So
like
just
this.
cut it like from here, like if I find something.
No, you know, all you would do is unplug this here.
Yeah.
And it's a way you have to go in there and make them come out. Show me that piece you had. Remember that piece we had them wires on it, the new piece. Let me see it. Let me see that. You could use
It
that.
might be in the front. Yeah. You might use that wire.
You could use the whole. You could use the whole harness. Just change it, but you gotta make sure the wires are plugged up the same way.
Or just connect the wires to each other.
Right. Okay.
And make them longer. You know what I mean?
Right.
Just
Now you
in
gotta do. The
between.
only thing you gotta do is cut this and join these and tape them.
All right.
Take that, cut that down. If we had time, I'd do it for you.
Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna look down right here. This right here is the actual clip that clips onto the fuel pump. As far as the wires for the fuel pump. Okay, what I noticed, color scheme wise, the purple and black, they're right here. The gray is the same as that gray, and this I'm assuming is the ground or something, because there's a line right there. Just a guess, but there's a line right there. There's a line right here. Now, when these were originally connected, when this original piece was connected, when it was originally connected, it actually showed right here. Let me show you how it was connected right here. It was basically the same pattern. Yeah, the purple and the red right here, and then it was this here that was connected to this right there. It was connected to here. And then the other one was right there. So the color scheme was there, so I could show you better. And it all worked out. And when you make sure, you know, that the wires don't have corrosion or anything, because that can affect your connection. So I made sure that the wires were, you know, clean. Alright, looks all nice now. Put electrical tape on there. Made sure the connections are wired and correctly, and that no corrosion was on the wires when I tied them together. And we're about to start this
vehicle. Let's get inside and turn the key, baby. All right, y'all, so we're about to start the vehicle after putting on the new wires and clip. The moment of truth. Man, I love some humble pie. I did all that wiring. I started the car. I forgot to put the plug in the wire that I just wired up in. Oh man. So I rewired it, and here we go. See? It's much neater. I actually put a whole new clip on. All right, let's get this thing started. Hello, thank you for viewing this video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, comment, and subscribe. You want to see more of me? Come on!